Hey Gen X, let's be real, life is loud, and in between meetings, text messages, teen drama, and keeping it together at work and home, you probably haven't taken 5 minutes just for you in a while. This video is a no pressure, no incense, no sitting on a mountain kind of thing. Just a simple 5-minute Gen X friendly meditation to help you reset. Perfect for a lunch break, during your commute, as long as you're not driving, or yes, even while hiding in the bathroom for a breather. So, let's take that 5 minutes. Just you, your breath, and some quiet. Here's how this will work. You don't need to sit cross-legged or hum. You just need to sit comfortably, in a chair, on the floor, even standing. This is about letting go, not doing it perfectly. The goal, to give your mind a chance to breathe, and to remind your nervous system that you're not being chased by a saber-toothed deadline. Ready? Let's begin. Close your eyes if it's safe to do so, or simply soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, deep breath in and out. Now settle into a normal rhythm of breathing. You don't have to change anything. Just notice. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nose and leaving your mouth. Notice your feet on the ground. Notice the support beneath you. If your mind drifts, that's totally fine. Just gently bring it back to the breath. Now, we'll do a simple focus technique. On each inhale, think, I am here. On each exhale, think, I am okay. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am okay. Let that rhythm carry you. You're not trying to stop your thoughts. You're just not following them. Now gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders. Take one final deep breath in and out. When you're ready, open your eyes. That's it. 5 minutes. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is pause. If you made it this far, you just gave yourself the gift of stillness. And your brain, your body, they noticed. Try this every day for a week. Maybe while waiting in the car, or after a long call. Or, yes, while hiding in the bathroom. And if this helped, give it a like, share it with another Gen Xer who needs a reset, and subscribe for more simple mindset tools. You're doing better than you think. I'll see you in the next one.